Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to troubleshoot a Bank of America app login error. So first, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Then try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data and then try logging in again. Next, check that you're using the correct online banking login information. And if you recently changed your password, then make sure you're using the updated one. Then open your phone's official app store and check whether the Bank of America app needs an update. Then install the latest version and restart your phone. If the app is still showing a login error, then completely close it and open it again. You should also check your phone's date and time settings and make sure they're set automatically. If you've entered incorrect information several times, then avoid repeatedly trying random passwords. Use Bank of America's official account recovery steps instead. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.